Hi, I'm Gerard Verga, and welcome to Season 1, Episode 3 of the Florida Family Law Attorney Podcast. And today I am honored to have Katie Bergman, who's a licensed mental health counselor, with us. Katie has an extensive career and has focused that career on families in transition. And I thought she'd be an ideal guest because as a family law attorney, I believe our job isn't just to resolve a case, it's to help families build a foundation for healing. And I think Katie and her professional expertise can help that process along because she deals with transition, and family law is nothing but a big transition. And so, Katie, why don't you tell us a little bit about yourself and what drove you to be a mental health counselor and to focus in on this area?
Yeah, so thank you for having me. First off, I'm glad to be here. So, what drove me to be a counselor? Gosh, it was a variety of things, but I was actually working back in schools, I guess about 15 years ago, and that's where it started for me. But as I went on throughout my career, I kind of segued into private practice, and then having my own children, I got certified in perinatal mental health, and then through my own experiences, have had some of my own transition, and that's kind of prompted me to get involved with families and help them through their transitions. So I think I was inspired by my own story, and so that's how I ended up here and helping families as they navigate all of the complexities of different transitions, whether it's through divorce or whether it's through, adding children to their family or whatever transition it might be. So deal with a variety of different transitions, and divorce is one of them.
Well, I think as a family law attorney and as the head of our law firm, one thing I've really come to appreciate is how much people do not like change and how hard it is for people to change, but how necessary it is in life to constantly change and adapt to change and how to handle those changes without letting anxiety and all these other emotions cloud your judgment. Would you agree with that?